Now moving on to the state of Maharashtra. Days after losing the Shiv Sena name and bow and arrow symbol to Eknath Shinde, Uddhav Thackeray faction's petition challenging the Election Commission's order will be heard in the Supreme Court at 3:30 p.m. today. Now the plea filed by the Uddhav camp states that Election Commission failed to consider that their camp enjoys a majority in the Legislative Council and Rajya Sabha as well. Meanwhile, CM Eknath Shinde held a key national executive meeting yesterday where 12 major proposals were mooted. Some of the key decisions that were taken include Eknath Shinde continuing as the topmost leader of the party, a disciplinary committee within the party to be formed, action against those who break the party discipline, and Bharat Ratna for V.D. Savarkar.
A lot of speculations are being made, especially after Uddhav Thackre's term as the party president ended in January. Now that on one hand Uddhav Thackeray group has asked for permission to hold the elections again, on the other hand you have been given the official party name and the party symbol. How does this play out? Who is the president of the party?
No, after giving the result from Election Commission, they are going to challenge this Election Commission statement in the Supreme Court. So it is not worth to say right now. Let it be. Other cases also pending in the Supreme Court. We are waiting for the results. हम लोग आपके सामने कुछ आज ही कुछ बयानबाजी करें तो अच्छा नहीं होगा. रीजन एक ही है कि हर एक चीज के लिए चैलेंज होते जा रहा है. 3 या लगातार 3 days के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अदर इश्यूज आर आल्सो पेंडिंग. Then one more is there. He has given challenge to the Supreme Court again against the decision of the Election Commission. So we will definitely, we are waiting for that कि हमें ये कुछ उसका रिजल्ट आ जाए और हम लोग बात करें.
The court had a very categorical question to Mr. Sibal, who was appearing for the Uddhav Thackeray camp, that if at all you're saying that the 10th schedule is being misused, if at all you're saying that the speaker should not be given such a power, then why has the parliament not looked into it? Why has the legislation not come on this? How do you see the court's observations?
See, the court is absolutely right. The court has gone with a simple understanding that the constitution is what the constitution is. The Honorable Chief and the other 5 and the other 4 judges have been very clear that we cannot rewrite the statute, we cannot rewrite the constitution. And he also made apart from the statement that you said, the court had also observed that, you know, on one day you want a deputy speaker to decide because he is a person who was appointed by you. On the other day you say the speaker should not decide merely because he was elected by the other side. To which the court said that, you know, we have to go by the office of the speaker. We cannot go by the person who's occupying that post. So the court has been very clear that they will go by what the constitution is and the judgment of the Supreme Court in Kyoto Holland's case.
ये शिवसेना है 50 साल पहले बाला साहब ठाकरे जी ने बनाई थी और आज भी उतनी ही मजबूती से महाराष्ट्र की जमीन पर खड़ी है. आप उसको हिला नहीं सकते. जड़ें जो है मजबूत है. इलेक्शन कमीशन ने निर्णय दिया है, वो निर्णय मैं मानता हूं कि संविधान नियम और कानून के खिलाफ जाकर निर्णय दिया है. कैसे दिया, उसके पीछे कौन है, ये पूरी देश जानता है. इस निर्णय को हम मानने वाले लोग नहीं हैं. हम लड़ेंगे. आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुनवाई चल रही है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट हमारे लिए मार्गदर्शक है, एक आशा का किरण है इस देश में. हमें विश्वास है हमें न्याय मिलेगा.
आज जो राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी हुई है वो मुख्य नेता शिवसेना के एकनाथ जी शिंदे साहब के अध्यक्षता के अंदर हो गई है. उसमें स्वातंत्र्यवीर वीदा सावरकर, उनको भारत रत्न मिलना चाहिए, मरणोत्तर भारत रत्न मिलना चाहिए. जो यहाँ के निवडणूक आयोग ने जो कुछ नियमावली दी है उसको सामने रख के ही काम करना चाहिए. जो संकल्प वंदनीय बाला साहब ठाकरे जी का था वो आगे लेके जाना, जिसके लिए हमने उठाव किया था, वो ध्यान में रख के आगे काम करना, ये मार्गदर्शन मुख्य नेता शिवसेना के एकनाथ जी शिंदे साहब ने सब राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी को किया है। मुख्य नेता एकनाथ जी शिंदे साहब के नेतृत्व में आज की बैठक हो गई है, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं हुआ।
एकनाथ शिंदे साहब को हम लोगों ने मुख्य नेता ने चुनाव कर दिया है, तो अभी बाकी का जो एक्टिविटीज है वो 2 दिन के बाद बैठने के बाद हम लोग कर देंगे। वो जो नियम के मुताबिक हम लोग वो करेंगे।